Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing this blue cut crease. If you're interested, just keep watching. First, I'm going to be dipping into the dark purple with a e.l.f. blending brush. And I'm going to take the dark purple and pack it into the crease of my eye. Now I'm going to be using this bluish teal shade, and I'm going to be applying that with a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm going to really focus on blending that into the dark purple, making back and forth motions and some circular motions, and just really making it blended so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to be dipping into this aqua color with a mini tapered blending brush, and I am going to be blending that into the bluish teal shade I used earlier, and I'm going to be using the same motions and just really make this blended where there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to be taking my concealer and applying that on my eyelid, and I'm going to look up, and that's going to leave the line where the cut crease is going to go. There's a little hooded eye trick. Now I'm going to be using this liquid eyeshadow in this shade Sunset Cove, and I'm going to just paint that over the top of the concealer I did earlier, and this is such a pretty shade, I love it. Now I'm going to be using a combination of this blue shade and the tealish blue shade I used earlier, and really blend that into the liquid eyeshadow I just used and make it where there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to be dipping back into this dark purple and blending that into the blue shade I just applied to make it all come together. Now I'm going to use this dark orange shade with my mini tapered blending brush, and I'm going to blend that into the blue and blend it all along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be using a combination of the lighter orange and the hot pink and blending that into the darker orange I just used, still using the mini tapered blending brush and blending it all along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be using this pretty shimmer shade and I'm going to be applying that on the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to be using a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush and I am going to be applying that same shimmer shade in my brow bone. Now I'm going to be using my eyelash curler and then apply my mascara. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with more videos.